In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently use Asana reporting dashboards. This is going to be a quick and straightforward tutorial, perfect for both beginners and seasoned users of Asana who are looking to optimize their workflow with insight-driven decisions, all in just about 5 minutes. Let's get started by heading over to Asana. Open your browser and navigate to Asana's login page. Here, you'll need to enter your email address. Ensure that you're using the same email you signed up with, as this will direct you straight to your project management workspace. Once you've filled in your email address, go ahead and click on the continue button. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your password. This is the key to unlocking the powerful tools Asana provides, so make sure it's correct and then click on log in. If everything is in order, you'll be taken to your Asana homepage. The homepage is the central hub for all your projects and tasks, so it might seem familiar if you've been using Asana for a while. From the homepage, take a look at the sidebar and find the reporting feature. This is where the magic happens for creating dashboards that can provide deep insights into your projects. Click on reporting and you'll be presented with the option to create a new dashboard. Select create dashboard to begin. Once your dashboard template is ready, your next task is to add a custom chart. Click on add custom chart. Now here's where you can get creative and tailor these tools to your specific needs. You will want to select a chart style that best suits the type of data you're looking to visualize. Asana offers various styles such as bar charts, line charts, and pie charts that can present information differently. So choose what best represents your data story. Determine what data will be displayed on your chart. This could be anything from task completion rates, project progress, or budget spending. It's essential to be clear about what insights you want these charts to provide to guide your team's productivity and project management efficiency. To make your report more precise and relevant, refine the data by adding filters. You can filter based on date ranges, specific projects, or other criteria that are relevant to your goals. Once happy with your selections, click on Add to place the chart into your dashboard. Now, if you want your work to be collaborative, click on Share to start the process of inviting your team. Enter the email addresses of your team members and hit Invite. This ensures everyone on your team has access to these valuable insights, fostering collaboration and keeping everyone on the same page. Congratulations, you've just set up a powerful Asana reporting dashboard. With these steps, you can continuously monitor and enhance the efficiency of your projects. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.